Hey guys, you're welcome back again to my channel and welcome back to Bones Sports. If you're coming across this channel for the first time and you like what you see, please do well to hit the subscribe button, turn on your bell notification so that you'll be notified when I post a video. It is time for Lagos Idumota Market. I'm heading to the market to bulk shop provisions for the month.
Hey guys, you're welcome to yet another market vlog. I am heading to Lagos Idumota Market, yes, and fingers crossed, you guys. A basket of tomato, as today I'm talking to you, a big basket of tomato is 150,000 naira. God help us. I just pray that today market will be very reasonable for me because I really need to stock up. I really need to stock up at home. And you guys, I would talk about something much later that, you know, somebody watching me here, I will not even say the person is a subscriber, but somebody watching me here, and you know, I displayed my Alaboro woman's number on the screen in my video. The person used my Alaboro woman, turn around the market, go back and forth, and pay this woman only 500 naira. 500 naira. She got to the car park and was saying 500 naira, and then the person started shouting, like the lady started shouting that what did she do, is she the one that gave her the money to buy the provisions, blah 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 blah. What can 500 naira do? What can 500? I'm not even going to say they are my subscribers. You're not my subscriber. I'm sure you just happen to come across my video because of course my market vlogs do pretty well and it gets to a wide range of people, but it's totally unfair. It's totally unfair to use somebody's manual labor walking around with things on the person's head, and you take the person to your car and pay the person 500 naira, and you are saying you came from Bones Sports. You did not come from me. Do not, please, this will just make me not stop. Even like, if you want to go to the market, please go to the market. I'm not going to put any number anymore. I'm not going to, this is the store I bought this one, this is the, just enjoy the market vlog because it's total wickedness. You go, you give somebody 500 naira and you are arguing. That woman has children. That woman has children. The least I give her is not because what they call it, it's 5,000 naira. She stays with me, she takes me everywhere. It's not because that it's too much or it's too much. What is he going to buy? What is he going to do? But anyways, let's enjoy the market vlog. That's not even why I'm here. I'll talk about it much later, but I've already talked about it in this video. But let's just enjoy this market vlog.
I am on this market trip with a friend of mine as well. We are now heading into the UBA car park where we will be issued a ticket and we will park our car safely while we go in to shop.
Oh, good morning.
Safely parked my car in the car park and it's time to come down and head straight into the market.
Hey guys, so we're in the market right now and we are heading to start shopping. Let me find my Labrador woman and my love, literally. I think I'll meet her at the junction. I've called her already.
So our first stop were the women that were selling crayfish at the car park entrance, and my friend stopped to buy, and a paint rubber of crayfish was going for 6,500, but she was able to beat it down to 5,000 naira. Journeying into the market, my friend met her friend of hers who is a fashion designer and came to buy fabrics in this market. I tell you guys that this market is such a big market and it has different sections to buy anything you want, ranging from fabrics, from lingeries to clothing items, shoes, just name it. Yeah, I'd found my Labrador woman and she would lead me into the market and we start shopping. This is the entrance of the market. It is usually a very busy market, so hold your phones tightly, even though I am using my phone to make videos for you guys, but hold your phone tightly. My first stop is to my African snacks woman. Yeah, I'm here to buy cashew nuts, granules, and just name it. We came quite early to the market on this day, and she was not done displaying all her African snacks on the shelf. So I went in to get the ones that were not displayed on the shelf and bought them as well. Yeah, I was looking for POS to pay, and I figured that I haven't even withdrawn cash that I'm going to use to pay for the items that I will buy in the market today. Please hold your money because market shopping is not for the faint-hearted. But this is me just collecting money from the POS and counting it to make sure everything is complete before I head straight in to continue my shopping. I made a stop at the guy that I usually buy my groundnut oil from, and this is me just negotiating price with him before deciding the one that I wanted.
My queen. My love. You say my yori yori.
I have been coming to this market for a couple of years right now, so I have my customers that I know that they don't cheat me with their prices, and even if they do, I'm able to negotiate down. So yeah, I just started shopping. You guys know how we do it. I will shop, and when I get home, I will do like a proper unboxing for you guys and tell you guys how much I bought each and every item that I bought in the market and what I spent in the market today. It was really a tedious shopping day because there was so much hike in prices of stuff, and I was just showing my friend this dishwash because it was 1,200, and I'm like, should I just go for the cheaper option than the ones that I usually buy? But yeah, this is lots and lots of shopping going on.
Today's market is so stressful because the prices in this market is not smiling at all.
Because I'm a working mom, I prefer to sacrifice once in a month to come to this market and bulk shop.
You spend the money and you also do house girl work. Let's have it. Let's have it.
I'm done from inside the provision market and I'm heading to the car park to meet my meat man, Wasiu. You guys, thank you so much for all the patronage that you guys have patronized Wasiu ever since I started buying meat from him years ago. But we always argue. Myself and Wasiu, we always argue before we finally agree on a price.
They argue meat. Wasiu 35, you know, said they go. If nobody goes there, another person goes there for me. Tired.com. Let's go and unbox. Hello, baby. Yes.
I am back home now and I am just arranging some of the items that I bought in the market so that I can start telling you guys the price of each item and the total cost. So first off, I bought this soya oil golden penny for 9,500. I bought Nutribomb for 1,900 and I bought 4 packs. I got Dano 123 for 4,300 and I bought half a dozen. I bought Golden Moon for 2,950 and I bought about 4. A roll of pig sachets was going for 1,400 and I bought 6 rolls. I bought 2 rolls of Dano powdered cow milk for 1,000 each. Hens was going for 1,400. Checkers custard was going for 3,900. Sugar 1,100. Cashew nuts 3,500 for this bottle. Granite was going for 2,000 naira. All the cabin biscuit lovers in the house say hi. I bought this for 900. Chivita for Kaima was going for 4,000 naira. Fresh Yo for a pack was going for 3,500. And I bought a roll of this sachet Milo for 1,300. I bought 5. Evaporated milk was going for 1,000 naira and I bought 2 rolls. I bought golden penny butter 1,000 naira. Quaker oats was going for 1,700 naira and I bought 2 packs. Kaitos chocolate chip 1,800 each. I bought 4. Air fresher 1,500. Dustbin nylon 900 each, and I bought 2. I bought my African snack 5500 for these sizes. I bought my Mentos chewing gum for 1500. Kaitos yogurts for 2500 each, and I bought 4 packs. Buttermint 800. Golden Terra oil was going for 2100 for this pack. Lasso beef spice 700. Gino sachet tomato 700 for a roll. Nut cubes 1000 each for a pack. Lasso chicken 700 for a pack, and I bought about 6 pack in a row. Matches was going for 1150. Golden Terra Maggi cubes 1500. Sonia tomato was 900. I bought spaghetti for 850 each. This size of coconut for 1000 naira. Tom Tom for 800. Sonia sachet tomato paste 700. Chicken flavor was 1005. Tin milk 1000 each. I bought 6. My favorite curry 900 each. Corned beef was 1000 each for this size. I also bought tiger nut. I'm gonna be using to make tiger nut drink, and all of this was 1000. I bought these watermelons 1500. 2 Cameroon pineapple for 1500 naira. I bought this size of yam for 5000 each, and I bought 2 tubers of yam. I bought this mosquito spray for 1005. Right guard short 3000 each. I bought this window cleaner for 1500 each, and I bought 2. I bought Harpic for 3500 naira. A Viva Girl is a Viva Girl. I bought it 1500. I bought 4. And I bought Hypo for 3000 naira. Mama Lemon 1500. Tissue rolls 700 naira each. I bought 4. I'd love to try this Kiss diaper for Kaima, and I bought 2 pack of 70 pieces each. All of this meat and the pomo that you can see was one of my best buy in the market. So let me know if it was yours as well. I bought all of these things that you can see in this bowl for 37,000 naira. The quantity of beef that you see is 35,000 naira, and all the pomo that you see inside this bowl was going for 2,000 naira. Total, I spent 379,000 naira in the market today. Thank you guys so much for watching today's market vlog. I'll see you guys in my next one.